Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to display your Mac's hard drive directly on your desktop. First, open up Finder. Then, go to the Finder menu at the top and select Settings. Right here in the General tab, just check the box for Hard Disks. As you can see, your hard drive icon pops up on the desktop immediately. If you uncheck it, it disappears. This also works for external drives or those disk images you see when installing new apps. Those fall under external disks. If you uncheck them, they'll be hidden, but if you keep them checked, they'll stay visible. I usually keep this enabled because it's super handy. For example, once you're done installing an app, you can just right-click the disk icon and select Eject, or simply use the shortcut Command-E to unmount it. It really helps keep your desktop nice and organized.